Hello there guys, my name is Starkey and in today's video we will be getting our fishing and cooking to level 20. We will be doing so in kharid. Level 2 fishing, level 3 fishing, level 4 fishing, level 5 guys. What the hell? That lag was unreal. Level 6 fishing guys. Level 7 fishing guys. You can now try fishing for guppies. I don't know what the hell guppies are, but... Level 8 fishing. Level 9 fishing. 10 fishing in the bag guys. You can now try fishing for herring. Fishing level 11 guys. Level 12 fishing. Level 13 fishing. Level 14 fishing. Level 15 fishing guys. You can now try to net anchovies. Members can now collect fresh fish from Piscarius docks and catch soupy fish. Level 16 fishing. Members can now try fishing for mackerel, oysters and caskets with a larger net. Level 17 fishing. Level 18 fishing. Level 19 fishing. And that's level 20 in the bag for our Ironman. You can now try fly fish for trout and keyfish. Wicked. Level 6 cooking. Members can now make fruit blasts. Level 7 cooking. You can now prepare guppies. Members can now make baked potatoes. Oh, baked potato. Level 8 cooking. Members can now make pineapple punches. Level 9 cooking. Members can now make spicy sauce. Level 10 cooking. You can now cook red berry pies. Members can now cook mackerel and also make toad crunches. Level 11 cooking. Members can now make chili con carne and spit roast bird meat. Level 12 cooking. Members can now cook fin snails and spicy crunches. Level 13 cooking. Members can now cook scrambled eggs. Level 14 cooking. Members can now brew cider and make worm crunches. Level 15 cooking. You can now cook trout. Members can now cook soupy fish and prail bats. Level 16 cooking. Members can now spit roast rabbit meat, cook jungle spiders and make chocolate chip crunches. Level 17 cooking. Members can now cook lean snail. Level 18 cooking. Members can now cook cod and make wizard blizzards. Level 19 cooking. Members can now brew dwarven stout. And that's level 20 cooking in the bag guys. You can now cook meat, pies, pike and prepare crawfish. Members can also make nettle tea and short green guys. So anyway guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video and I will see you all in the next one.